Here we've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark II, and let me show you how to activate and use developer options on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here select About Phone. And here you have to locate and open. Actually, just locate build number and just click on it 7 times. And afterwards, you are a developer. As you can see here, you've got the notification. So then just go back to your previous screen, go to the system, click on Advanced Options, and now developer options appeared here. To open them, just click on it once, and now you can check all the features, all the super tools that can be used here. So for example, if you'd like to activate bubbles, so if you'd like to have some notifications as bubbles on the screen, just tap here and now it is active. Then you can, for example, force desktop mode, force allow apps on external, and so on. Just pick the feature that you would like to use, click here to activate it, then if you'd like to switch it off, click one more time, and this is it. And whenever you would like to switch developer options off, just mark this switcher, and as you can see, it's no longer active. If you will go back, they will also disappear from system settings, and then if you would like to activate them one more time, you will have to perform the same trick again. And this is it. So you can activate, use and deactivate developer options in your SONY Xperia 10 Mark II. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.